Sometimes I'm going to an event and I don't want to have to worry about weird angles or rolls. Whether you like wearing shapewear, camouflaging the FUPA or not, there's Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lillian Love and this is Styleonacur. And today we're going to talk about camouflaging our FUPA. Now, I know that you might be saying, girl, I don't feel like wearing any shapewear. It's uncomfortable and sometimes it's hot. Sometimes I don't feel like wearing shapewear either. You also might be saying, girl, I love my body. I don't have a problem with showing my FUPA. Sometimes we just want to look extra snatched for that day. Maybe we're going to an event or maybe you're going to be taking a lot of pictures. I'm going to give you a couple of tips and tricks to camouflage your FUPA, shapewear optional. Let's get into it. Having a dress that's pleated and flares out a little bit, an A-line dress, that is something that just kind of like falls right over your stomach and it's not clingy, so then that FUPA disappears. Having an asymmetrical line or effect, that also draws attention away from your stomach area and then just adds a lot of interest to your outfit. I love the way this line is asymmetrical right here. It looks so pretty. Let's see. Just gonna add a belt, see how that looks. Anytime you add a belt, you want to do it. You want to add the belt at your natural waistline. So that's where your natural bend is. So if you bend, this is where. So if you bend this way, right in that indent, that's where you want to keep your belt at. A shoe, and we'll add a purse, and we're ready to go. You can even add a blazer if this is a look for work. I feel cute. This is cute. Layering is also crucial to hiding the FUPA, and it's really on trend and very stylish. We've got our trench coat, we've got our dress, we're layering, we're hiding the FUPA, we're looking fabulous, and I feel great. She's still here, she's just camouflaged. So this dress cinches in right where I want it to, and it gives me shape. Then it just kind of grazes right over my stomach area. Add a belt to accentuate your natural waist. It's super cute. Oh, and I just love a dress that flares out like this. I mean, you just feel cute and flirty all day. It's really feminine and sexy. I mean, I like to twirl in it. This is how I start out my fashion figures. Stay tuned to the end and I'll show you exactly what I do with these. Having something that drapes over your stomach area will completely camouflage those areas that you don't really want to be seen. I love how it just kind of falls over and it's very flattering. It's really pretty. You can still show some skin, a little bit of peekaboo here and there, but it's got to just be something that's very strategic. It can camouflage some of the areas that you may not want to show and show off the areas that you do want to show. Add some shoes and a clutch and I'm ready to go. Also, at some point, you just have to be confident in showing your body because it's beautiful. Having flattering tucks or pleating in the right area can help to camouflage some of the areas that you may not want to show. So again, having this draping that falls right over your stomach here, it's not only is it beautiful, but it really camouflages my stomach area. And I know usually when people go out, they always want to wear a bodycon dress, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with wearing that. I wear shapewear than myself. Sometimes I feel like wearing shapewear and sometimes I don't. Oftentimes shapewear just isn't comfortable, and it's always complicated when you have to use the bathroom. So sometimes I just want to go out and just be out, and I don't feel like dealing with shapewear. And this is one of those things where you can wear it and feel comfortable all day and not have to worry about what your stomach is doing. You can take pictures and look fabulous at any angle, and you don't have to worry about, ooh, am I hiding this? Oh, look at that roll right there. Like, you don't have to be self-conscious about it. And of course, I love my body. I'm happy. Of course, I love my body, but sometimes I just want to look snatched in my pictures. Still there, we're just not focused on it. It doesn't have to be bodycon to be considered sexy. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. You're still showing a little bit of leg, not too much, and it looks amazing. You're still getting a little bit of that asymmetrical thing happening because it kind of comes here, goes across, and gathers and goes down right here. So it still kind of cuts across the stomach area, and it's just this illusion. And also prints are something that really helps kind of like trick the eye, and you're not focused on that one area right here. Crop tops. People oftentimes assume they can't wear a crop top because you're plus size and you want to hide your stomach area. But you can definitely wear crops. All you have to do is wear something high-waisted and you can totally wear the crop top. Showing off this little area right below the bust and above your belly button, this is such a flattering area for a lot of women to show off. Wear the crop top. Wear the crop top, just pair it with something that's high-waisted. Super cute, right? For example, you can wear this sweater like this, and it just looks kind of like dowdy, you know, it just kind of brings everything down to the widest part of your body and just looks wide. So what you can do is you can tuck this into your bra here, and then it just looks a lot better. You can see a little bit of skin, and you can see your shape more. You can tuck it in a lot, or you can tuck it in a little, and that just looks a lot better than wearing everything over your stomach. You still want to show some shape. Bodysuits are a good way to also add to whatever you want to wear under here to kind of keep everything all sucked in and together. And then you can pair it with a great pair of jeans. And some jeans, what you can do is you can kind of size up and then tailor it so that it can fit this area back here. But getting a great pair of jeans that kind of sucks everything all together and camouflages your stomach area is really good as well. Layering is really good as well. Adding a jacket or something like that to your outfit, or a really great jacket or a blazer. I like this. This is cute. I like where this is going. I think we're gonna add these shoes. Fuzzy purse, yes or no? I don't know. A little fuzzy backpack. She's cute. Ooh, I think I like it. You got your layer here, you're looking super cute, and you're ready to go. So now we're gonna add a blazer. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. Wearing fabrics that have a little bit of stretch, but it's a little more sturdy and it's a thicker fabric. That's also a way to kind of camouflage the FUPA as well. This is super cute, and it has a little bit of stretch, a little bit of give to it, so that way you don't feel uncomfortable. I'm trying to tie at my natural waist where I would naturally bend. Okay, add a little heel and a purse. These heels and this purse is just really going with everything today, but let's switch it up a little bit. A little pop of orange. I love orange for the spring and summer. Oh, it's just so vibrant, and I don't know, you just feel cool and hot all at the same time. Okay, let's see, what do we think? I also have this bag. I like the bag with the chain a little more. This is how my straight size and plus size croquis, which are fashion illustrations, start out. And then I usually move on to coloring these digitally, and I'll make the clothes. And then that's how it all turns into the illustrations, the fashions, and the clothes that you see here. Check out my clothing line on Shein X heavinzlane. I have plus size and straight size clothes available. I love my body, every single part of it, but sometimes I just want to look extra snatched in my pictures. Sometimes I'm going to an event and I don't want to have to worry about weird angles or rolls. Whether you like wearing shapewear, camouflaging the FUPA or not, there's nothing wrong with either way. How did you like the video today? Comment below and let me know what you think. If you're a lover of all things fashion and art, this is definitely the place where you want to be. If you like what you saw here today, definitely like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Once again, my name is Lillian Love. This is Style on a Curve, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.